Hi Devansh,
Hello.
how many times have you visited Kasol?
So, honestly speaking, I think it's my fourth time visiting Kasol. Twice I have visited with you guys. Once was the visit when we traveled to first trek of our life. That was Kheer Ganga, right? That time, and then second time was Hamta Pass, and third time I visited with a few of my colleagues. But speaking of this particular cafe, Jim Morrison Cafe, it's my second visit.
Okay.
And first time we visited after the Kheer Ganga, it was late night, I think. And second time it's like in the morning itself. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Really like vibe. I feel once a year Kasol is a therapy. At least for me. I don't know about you or others.
And what would be your recommendation, like if someone want to come to Kasol?
My honest recommendation is just come unplanned. It's best when we come unplanned, at least to this place. But recommendation on the perspective of the cafes, definitely I have few to recommend since I have visited many times. So, particularly speaking about this cafes, it's one of the oldest and the food is also pretty awesome. And since it's run by Israelis, so definitely it serves some authentic. But now since Israelis have moved to Goa after inventing this place, what I researched about Kasol was that it was being found in 1970s to 80s, and at that time no internet, nothing was there, and it was still untouched. So Israelis, when visited after their military training, they used to come since their ancestors that to have a therapy kind of thing, and they so much like this place Kasol, Parvati river flowing in between and the mountains and no extra hustle bustle of the cities. So they never moved back to Israel, and they shifted permanently here and started running the cafes. So Mama's Cafe is another Israeli cafe that serves authentic, and that cafe has been famous for entertaining more Israelis people than the Indians, so that they capture its vibes. And so first priority in that cafe is obviously for Israelis. We still till date we found many Israelis in that cafe other than any other cafe. Then Rudraksh Cafe's theme is like really dark and a little bit of riverside, so that's also cool. And the Evergreen Cafe is also good in terms of food. Food everywhere in the Kasol is like really awesome, but is for Evergreen it's like restaurant type, and some in Kasol at least it's like a 5-star kind of feel. So yeah, that's all. So this time we are planning to visit from Kasol to Tosh, and then Manali to Chandratar, which we have never done. At least I haven't never visited Tosh. What about you?
Like, one thing I can't believe that like this is your favorite cafe as you are a non-vegetarian. Like, this cafe is fully veg, so
That we have explored just right now. That it's when we were searching the menu, because whenever we came, we never had that much time to explore the food options. Whatever was there on the limited time frame, we had it. So right now, when we were searching for some non-veg, we thought that they have served this pure veg menu specifically to us. But it's a pure veg cafe, and that's what Vishal is saying, that maybe Jim Morrison, singer, was Shiva Bhakta, and he has changed to like veg. So now we are definitely going to have veg.
okay. Thank you for your recommendations.